So let's now work on the styling, because at the moment this is quite ugly. There are different ways of adding styling, but I will show you the way you will most commonly use and which is the recommended way. You might remember that in our .view files, we not only had a template and a script section, but we could also add a style section. Now, adding it is optional. As you can clearly tell, it worked without it too. But here you can define the style of your app or component. So here I added the style section in app.view, and attached you find the styles CSS file which we used before in the component introduction module. You can simply download it and then copy all the styles you find in there and add them here between these style tags. Save your code thereafter, and if you now reload, you should have some styling back. Still not the final styling, but better than nothing. Especially our components don't look too bad. Now, to also improve the overall styling, here in the app view template, I'll wrap this h2 tag here into a header like this, and actually also convert it to h1 tag. And if we save that, this now looks better, and now we got our styling back. Now, there is actually more you can do with that styling here. You can, for example, later also lock it to a specific component to make sure that only that component receives the styling. But that's something we'll explore later. For the moment, the styling added here will do the trick. And with that, we now have a nicer project setup where we get this realistic development server where the app automatically reloads whenever we save a change, and where we also get better IDE support and in general have a setup which will not only work for small apps, but also for bigger apps.